Viking Refrigerator Repair Services in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in Viking refrigerator repair that consists of Viking refrigerator freezer repair, Viking French door refrigerator repair, Viking stainless steel refrigerator repair, along with all other Viking refrigerator models. If your refrigerator is not cold enough, or your refrigerator water dispenser is not working, or your refrigerator is not defrosting, maybe your refrigerator is noisy or loud, or possibly your refrigerator is having defrost drain problems, or you have a refrigerator that's leaking water. Whatever your problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.